Hey, what's up guys? Mike from Sound of Tri-State in Folsom, Pennsylvania. Just wanted to show you this 2016 Honda Accord that we just completed for a client of ours. This lady came in looking for some really good sound. She wanted some low-end bass, nothing obnoxious, just really clean. So that's what we were able to help her out with. A lot of times people hear the word subwoofer, they think of trunk rattling and vibrating like crazy. And it's certainly a possibility, but most of the time people just want their car to sound better without being obnoxious. So what we were able to do, we were able to add an Infinity Amplifier with a bass knob mounted right up here on the dash. That allows you to turn the bass up and down individually from the rest of the speakers in the car. And then we were able to add a 10-inch subwoofer in the trunk. It's a really small enclosure. It's a ported box, so it'll give you a lot more output. So you can see here, it's on the right, obviously. There's still plenty of room in the trunk, so you really don't lose much space at all. These come in at a really good price point for graduation gifts, birthdays, or if you're just simply looking for better sound. So if you guys want something like this, please give us a call, 610-328-0301. Thank you guys.